got gorgeous eyes, you know? And we have a tip for you today on how to underline their natural beauty and set jaws dropping from one glance. Here's our guide to use a pencil eyeliner like a pro. Let's begin. Step 1. Take eyeshadow. Carefully cover your top eyelid using an eyeliner brush. Step 2. Take an eye pencil and draw a line right near the eyelashes. Draw carefully and attentively. The line should be straight. Step 3. Now, take a small brush and shade the pencil line horizontally. This will make the line look smoother by hiding all of its rough patches. You can let it point out by exceeding the line of the top eyelid a bit, making arrows or wings for both eyes. Step 4. Take a concealer. Apply it under this arrow to highlight it even more. This will visually enhance the way your eyes naturally look. And that's it! Done! Enjoy your perfect eye lines and your new gorgeous look. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe for more expert makeup tips and tricks.